Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to save your money and how to save yourself from embarrassment. Most of the time you go out with your friends in order to have lunch or dinner, sometimes to a cafe to drink something, but you always feel embarrassed that you are willing to pay the bill, but you don't have enough money or you don't have enough cash. But do you always have to do this? Do you always have to pay the bill to show that you are really generous? Do you have to be generous most of the time? It's okay to be generous like once, twice, but if you go out with your friends very often, then this is the time to say, let's go Dutch. So next time you want to go out with your friends, you tell them from the very beginning, let's go Dutch, which means everyone pays for himself. Everyone pays for his own meal. I can give you a few examples about that. Number one, she insisted on going Dutch when they were having lunch together. Number two, while we were having lunch, my friend suggested to go Dutch. Finally, I would like to say, if you like today's idiom, then please use it on a daily basis, or at least when you go out with your friends to have lunch or dinner or to a cafe. So you can save your money and you can save yourself from the embarrassment. So please pray from me. One more thing. If you like today's idiom, then let me see your comments below, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel.